Yeah, we came to our cottage. This is our cottage, and opposite side is the first cottage, and this is our second cottage out here. So guys, now it is 9 o'clock a.m. in the morning, and I am going with my family to have our breakfast, which they are providing in the mess, which is located upstairs. And it's slightly sunny. So guys, right now we are at the front entrance of this area. You can see behind me. From here we came, and this is the front entrance of this whole area. This is our car over here, and this is a ground plus one storage structure, entrance structure which they have kept over here. And there is this lane going downwards. I don't know where it goes, but we will go from here. There's a dam nearby. It's 800 meters. So, and there are beautiful butterflies over here. Oh my god, guys, look at this beautiful place. Look at this beauty. There are millions of butterflies, millions of species of butterflies over here. The plants which they have planted over here are the plants which call to butterfly to breed themselves. So look at this area, man. It's so beautiful, lovely area.